In 2018, Imran Khan, the founder of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and former Prime Minister, held assets valued at a modest Rs 69 million. The asset details were submitted to the Election Commission of Pakistan in his nomination papers for the upcoming general elections set for February 8, 2024. Fast forward 5 years to 2023, and the value of his assets has skyrocketed to over Rs 315.9 million. That's an increase of more than Rs 2 million in just 5 years. So what contributed to this massive surge in his assets? For one, Khan inherited a 148 Marla house in Zaman Park, Lahore, on which more than Rs 6 million was spent on construction. Then there's the 300 canals of land in Banigala, a gift that cost over Rs 9 million to decorate and regularize. His portfolio also includes a 136 Marla land in Islamabad's Mera Noor area, a shop in the capital's shopping plaza, and a 2-room flat in Islamabad Plaza, valued in total at over Rs 159 million. He also declared 188 canals of inherited land in Bakar, adding to his extensive property holdings. But it's not all land and property. Khan surprisingly does not own any vehicle. However, he does have more than Rs 5 million in cash and over Rs 60 million in various bank accounts in Islamabad. Plus, he owns 4 goats valued at Rs 2 million. His wife, Bushra Bibi, also owns 698 canals of land in Pakpatan and Dipalpur and a 3-canal house in Banigala. Adding to the former PM's wealth are Toshakhana gifts, valued at Rs 87 million in his asset statement. The Federal Board of Revenue Records show a steep increase in Khan's disclosed assets from over Rs 141 million in 2021 to over Rs 320 million in 2022, and finally over Rs 315.9 million in 2023. To summarize, Imran Khan's assets have seen a remarkable growth over the past 5 years, increasing from Rs 69 million in 2018 to over Rs 315.9 million in 2023. This surge has been driven by a combination of inherited and gifted properties, cash holdings, and other assets. Despite this wealth, Khan's profession remains that of a philanthropist, indicating his commitment to using his resources for the greater good.